Our dessert today will be a Gundel pancake, which is usually served with traditional Hungarian meals. It is a pancake that is filled with a very tasty filling made of nuts and rum with chocolate sauce. This is the original Hungarian nut. In addition, we serve the pancake with a homemade chocolate sauce. We are putting a pot above steam and put inside this pot butter and chocolate powder. The exact proportions depend upon each one's taste, but it should be about 250 grams of butter and 250 grams of chocolate powder mixed with sugar powder for 4 people. We mix it until we have a thick sauce like this one. We flavor the chocolate sauce with half a deciliter of rum.